Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies. On my left, we have the CORSAIR RM850, known for its smooth performance, and on my right, the Thermaltake Toughpower GFA 31050 WA powerhouse for your gaming rig. Let's see which one is worth your hard-earned cash. In terms of price, the CORSAIR RM850 comes in at $139, making it a budget-friendly option that many reviewers appreciate for its quality and reliability. A user mentioned that they found it to be a great value for the price, highlighting its easy installation and quiet operation. On the other hand, the Thermaltake Toughpower GFA 31050W is priced at $169. While some users praised its sleek design and quiet performance, there are concerns about its reliability, with one reviewer experiencing frequent system restarts. So if you're looking to save some cash, the CORSAIR might be the way to go. But if you're willing to spend a bit more for potential extra power, the Thermaltake is there for you. When it comes to modular design, both power supplies shine. The CORSAIR RM850 is fully modular, allowing users to connect only the cables they need, which many reviewers found easy and convenient. One user mentioned that it was a minimalist's dream. The Thermaltake Toughpower GFA3 also features fully modular flat cables, receiving positive feedback for its heavy-duty cables. However, some users did have issues with cable management, which they felt could be improved. Overall, both units provide excellent modularity for clean builds. Fan noise is another important factor. The CORSAIR RM850 features a 140mm rifle-bearing fan, which has been noted by users for being exceptionally quiet. One reviewer even stated they could hear a pin drop while it was running. In contrast, the Thermaltake Toughpower GFA3 does not specify its noise levels, leading to mixed reviews. Some users found it quiet, while others experienced issues with fan plugs that could affect overall noise levels. If you're sensitive to noise, the CORSAIR seems to have the edge here. Lastly, let's discuss compatibility and future-proofing. The CORSAIR RM850 is equipped with triple EPS 12V connectors, making it compatible with modern graphics cards and motherboards. Users appreciate this feature as it prepares them for future upgrades. Meanwhile, the Thermaltake Toughpower GFA3 is PCIe Gen 5.0 ready and complies with the latest Intel ATX 3.0 standards, making it a solid choice for future-proofing. One reviewer even mentioned that it was a great addition for a 4090 graphics card. So if future-proofing is your priority, the Thermaltake might just be the better option. Overall, both power supplies have their strengths and weaknesses according to user reviews. The CORSAIR RM850 is widely praised for its reliability, quiet operation, and ease of installation. In contrast, the Thermaltake Toughpower GFA3 has received mixed feedback, with some users loving its performance and others frustrated by reliability issues. Ultimately, your choice may depend on your specific needs and budget. So, there you have it. The CORSAIR RM850 offers great value and quiet performance, while the Thermaltake Toughpower GFA 31050W provides powerful options for future-proofing. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more electrifying comparisons. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay charged and keep smiling.